Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DaVinci Resolve for noise reduction and Denoise, full guide step by step clearly. To register with DaVinci Resolve for noise reduction and Denoise features, first, download and install DaVinci Resolve from the official website. After installation, open the application and proceed to the screen for creating a new project. In the project settings, ensure you have your footage imported into the media pool. Once your footage is imported, navigate to the Edit page to begin editing your project. Select the clip you want to apply noise reduction to in the timeline. Next, switch to the Color page for more advanced editing options. Locate the Noise Reduction option in the OpenFX panel on the right side of the screen. Drag and drop the Noise Reduction effect onto your selected clip in the timeline. In the Inspector panel, you will find settings to customize the noise reduction. Adjust the Luma and Chroma noise reduction sliders to fine-tune the effect according to your needs. You can preview the changes in real time to see how they impact your footage. After making the adjustments, render your video to apply the changes. If you are using DaVinci Resolve Studio, you'll have access to more advanced denoise features. To unlock the full features of DaVinci Resolve Studio, you'll need to purchase a license from the official website. After purchasing, you'll receive a license key via email. Return to DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Help menu. Select License and then choose Activate License. Enter your license key in the designated field and click Activate. Once activated, you can access the full range of noise reduction and denoise tools in DaVinci Resolve. Remember to save your project regularly as you work on your edits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.